Welcome to Retire Too Soon, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the headlights on a second gen. Welcome back. Alright, we'll make this really fast. So pop the hood. To adjust it up and down, I don't know if you see it, it's right, let me see it. It's like right here. You'll see the torque screw. That adjusts up and down, and if you go over to inside the grill part, right there, that adjusts to left and right. So, very quick, simple. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, hope it's helpful. You know what to do. Like, punch, kick, subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.